Football does bring people together from all different walks of life, and it's the release for most people who work 5-6 days a week. So if there's something at the football which they can access, which will help them mentally, I think that's a big step forward.
A character and a half, Jack. He was always in the thick of everything. Obviously he had his issues, he had his problems, but he was one that always wanted to make other people happy.
All the sporting clubs are pretty heart the community, so I know it's football, but it's all encompassing. You know, the foundation linked to the football club and the other sporting clubs, it all brings that community feel together. So each supports one another.
People will knock on my door, they will come and have a chat. But obviously whenever somebody knocks on my door, I try to get them to knock on this door. You know, because this is where the help is. Yeah.